This is the Miami Condo status, November 7, 2015. The drywall taping and sanding pretty well done. Tile is now coming on the floor. Looks really nice, a little dirty here of course, but the office and new guest room really taking shape. The Murphy bed is apparently delayed. That's going on this wall, and otherwise looks good. And then moving over to the kitchen, tile is down almost completely. Obviously not down here in these corners. The kitchen is ready to go in. Basically, the final measurements were taken last Friday, and they're going to start putting in what they call the carcasses, which is just the wood, the boxing, and then the actual finish, the front of the fridge, etc., and all the countertops and everything come later. An advanced state of finish. Just big sections of flooring now down. The tile workers stuff here. And it's a little bright for video this morning. Air conditioning work all finished, ready to go in. Again, just a lot more advanced than last month, just with the drywall taping. Yesterday our air conditioner unit got delivered. This is going to be interesting because, as you can see, it is slightly too big. The chilled water lines are sticking out, and I'm not sure how they're going to get a door on here, but we'll have to figure that out. And the bathrooms, not a lot of advanced work, but at least now the shower is all drywalled and ready to be tiled. Floor, well, you can see the tile is starting to go in. The second guest bedroom here, quite advanced on the tile, pretty well done. I guess this section over here is not. The other back end of the HVAC and the guest closet all ready to go. And moving into the master. Still not a lot of work, a lot of progress here, except now the drywall's all done. Still waiting for bathroom stuff. It may be delayed too. The new medicine cabinets framed out, ready to go. And the shower area all ready to be tiled. That should all happen next week. In the main bedroom, master bedroom, again, tiling coming along pretty nicely. Here you get a pretty good section of it from the light. Kind of a fake wood tile surface. And in here, you can kind of see a little more of the tile, how it looks. The faux wood look. Looks like a boardwalk kind of thing. And just all the drywall taped, everything ready to go. The closet, people coming in to take final measurements next week. Wall repair. And here is the bathroom tile. Kind of a pool tile. And then there's going to be an inset. That's the inset tile. It'll be inside the showers and some of the other areas. Flooring coming along. And that's about it for the highlights of this update. So, coming along, and there's Zach. And that's the progress, November 7.